Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate this perfect bouncy curl ends with a dreamy half up hair combo in DTI. So if you also want to know how I can make this hair, you can just follow the steps in here. So first you can go to the feminine hair category and put on this curly hair, this one, and here you can choose number 2 and you can use any color that you prefer. Then use the adjustment feature, so change the Y into 55 on position and the Z into 69 like this. And the second one, you can put on this braids here, this one in here, and use the same color like the previous hair like this. And last one, you can go to the Updo hair category and put on this hair and toggle it into only bangs like this. Now just like that, the hair is done, and this is the final look. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.